reason. So let's see, let me share with you how I'm doing it. Very easy. So we're gonna open first the App Store. Let's go to the App Store, and all you have to write in the App Store is the word documents, and then click, after you write documents, click search. Once you click search, you will get this screen. You scroll down until you see documents by Rebel, and then this is how the application look, letter D with some yellow green on the top left. I already downloaded and it's installed already on my phone. Here is it on my phone. When you open the application, you're gonna have this screen. And now on the side over here, there is like a Safari icon. You click on it and then you write the word safe from net. You see, I will, on the description of this video, I will write it down. HTTPS and then EN save from .net. Okay, once you got this screen, super easy, you just log out from the application, and now you open YouTube application and you can search for any YouTube video you love to have it in your phone. On my case, let me do one, Unbox Therapy. It's one of the tech channels I love his videos. Over here is a 5 minutes video of his. Let me just stop it and share with you. Let me just copy the link of this video. Let's see how we do the copy here. Here, right? Copy link. Once I copy the link, it's copied. I go onto the documents, and now super easy. Over here, I just paste the link. Click go. Click go, and then it's searching and it's telling me I got the video with 720p MP4 to download, and you can check if there is any other options. There is none, so you just leave it on 720p and click download, and then it start downloading. Watch this, the blue line here, and you can give it a name. I will leave it the name that Unbox Therapy left it with, and I click done. Once I click done, it started download over here. As you see, it's downloading right now. Okay, now once it's downloaded, I will just exit, and then I will go and click on downloads. How do you do that? You go back from the left side and you look for file called downloads. In my case, it's over here. I click on it, and here is it on my phone without any internet, but let me have it on my camera roll. Super easy how to do that. There are 3 dots here. You click on the 3 dots, and then you have option to save it. Let me see, share. Once you click on share, save the video. Let me click save video, and it's already on my photo library. Let me see, photos, again, photos, and let's see if we have it.